Welcome, my sister Kobe. When you come, you share. When you come, you share, you invite friends, so that we get a powerful show here. My brother Armstrong, I see you. When you come, you share, you invite friends. My play some bottle dance here, so that we be the audience. Ma gives a one bottle dance. Ngabu, welcome. I see you. 21 gun salute. My brother one spirit, Papa one spirit, long time. You come and share, you invite friends.
mambo abene kategene ya mukum yantaka tiase mambo kapfo bene ya irabachiri mambo kapfo bene ya yimufanje mambo kapfo bene ya ninje mambo kapfo bene ya
Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians, una good evening wherever una dey. We for here, I think we for here and Ground Zero now almost the same time. A good evening. You don't stay away, we not come for show, but we dey work for the other programs because we dey work with ABC TV. We get Amber Focus every Friday. If you don't see me for Friday, we host Amber Focus on Friday, and the show on Friday, this Friday, will be very powerful. We will get guest of host, the female general and the host of others. So once more, na good evening. I know some people they don't inbox me say you don't take your own sardine for go stay behind because they need to see you for social media because Ambassador be very skeptical when it comes to this revolution. We don't sit down behind. We don't see couples of things that don't happen. We don't see plenty things that happen, and we don't right and right. But it didn't. I didn't be necessary for say we can't talk and for live show because we don't talk even for Amber Focus. But I say I come for my platform can't tell my people where it go and the state of the revolution, and then we talk at the way it did. No twin mob one side. But I'll first start this one way. Last weeks we get a shocking news where our fellow brothers, we call them brothers, the internal enablers, they try to hack the ABC account. They try to hack our account, but thank God say our God where we serve him, the God of Ambazonia, need to sleep. They feel stress who track the account and how they track the account. Now whether I say Makate or people them for Ground Zero, where some of them because some of them write me say what did it happen where they not get signal for ABC TV. I want to tell you today say they be hack the SCBC TV where it be based on South Africa. The technician behind the SCBC TV it be hack ABC TV account for so that me the people for Ground Zero they don't watch the program any program where it go on for ABC TV. But thank God say this God ordained revolution, anything we do it get a very short possible of time it will be exposed. So fellow Ambazonians, our brother the activist Mr. Nancho Clovis where it he feel that way it do he be try for track the source and who do the act, and we get all reliable information onto a table. Who do the act, when they do the act, which time they do the act, and our reason now why they do the act. Me and you know already know why they do that act, but this one we still now issue the behind us. But I just get to cut there and Bazunia them wait till they go on. But as of now, everything be intact. Everything be intact. And when I know say, and they will do that issue now when the amber draft for ABC TV, it will the go on. The amber draft, it be the amber draft, it will go on. So they will hack that account now because they know what me Ground Zero see the mobilization of ABC TV. Me and Bazunia people will see for Ground Zero, see how the ABC TV people they coordinate and they give money for say me the TV be sustained, and the TV now it get go wear white. ABC TV not be something where it go then on local TV like the one for South Africa where they not even no money they watching for Ground Zero. They not get money for pay satellite for me people they watching for Ground Zero. They make propaganda say they be hack their account. Ground Zero no fit watch them. They not get money for sponsor because for pay satellite it be very expensive. Fellow comrade, for pay satellite it be very expensive. And when some manka she don't talk, so useless talk say they don't ban ABC TV. Me they don't watch out for Ground Zero, so don't ban ABC TV. You dey buy satellite na buy am. You dey buy satellite na buy am. Now Facebook if you block you, they'll block your satellite now. So fellow comrades, we don't see how wicked some people they think say they defy the revolution with we how they be. I want to ask this question: what it benefit them for block ABC TV if really we dey fight for the same struggle, we dey fight for go boya, and then ABC TV if they can't give information where La Republique is the cause for our land. Then they get their own TV where they say they think they give information about atrocity where La Republique is the cause of our land. Then why you going to stop the other man in media? Why you going to stop the other man in media if really you dey fight for the same struggle? My fellow comrades, fellow ambassadors, now time this for all we for start think and reflect. We know say we get only one government, and when that government will leave it to Boya. That one we need to talk with the water for a mop. Now the only we get only one government, all the other people them now money mongers. See, the one now groups. People they know the one now groups, so that any man will get a fraction, so that fraction it will be a leader to that fraction, and that fraction it go as a leader, it go get its own share for money. ABC TV na TV where the documents them it is show proven say na Ambazonian property. Why when the SABC TV na join it be na Milan Atem a property, a personal property where it don't sell shares now to Ayabacho and Seseko and all the like. They don't buy shares. They don't buy shares. So they did see now. I tell you something. I want to tell you one thing for this ABC and SABC TV. We will do marketing, but in the level this, if they think say they fit do their own way for sabotage ABC TV now for hacking, that one a criminal act. Because we know say if you want to sell your product where you dey like competitors, because them the thing say they be competitors, they be like competitor for ABC TV, but they take a wrong approach. Sell your product, many people they buy your product rather than going for destroy the other man a product where you don't create them. You know if you do so, where you do as a criminal act, you can go market if you want to sabotage the ABC TV. Can't say your product, say your information. Me the people they assimilate, they buy your ideology. Then now you will be the king while ABC TV they follow you. But now when you follow ABC TV, then you think now say you go hack the account for destroy ABC TV account, and then now me Ground Zero no watch the ABC TV. Then now you now so that even you too they need to watch than ABC TV, SBC TV. They need to watch for Ground Zero. There you go succeed. I want to tell you say ABC TV Ambassador TV, now the king for the market. Yes, now the king, una be niche, una just be follow. They be king for the market. We get all resources at hand for destroy SBC TV. But why we go to that extent? We get everything where it take we for destroy SBC TV. But why we go to that extent? Why we go to that extent? Why we go for that extent for destroy the SBC TV? They get that, they share that opinion. That opinion be free for share. But when they start go for extent for destroy the ABC TV, they will want fight. They don't ever fight back. If you buy even that technician, the technician they will get everything taken for even buy that technician. They get how much for South Africa? They get how much? So why they want fight? They know where they want fight where when the fight starts, they know if stand. They want fight when the fight start, they know if stand. America, South Africa want compare with America. South Africa don't want to compare with America. Hey, my brothers and sisters, when I see how wicked some group of people they think that they fight with this, they fight with we, they be, and that's so it is. That's so it is. Some people they come for this revolution and for benefit. People they come for this revolution and benefit. And they talk the one God know, and they talk the one I swear. People they were Ambazonian people they now presently when you know what mean revolution end because of it. They benefit a lot, and when the revolution end, they don't get no side for go. And you tell me some people in the way they come from one country, they live a useless life. At the age of 50, 60, no way, no day. Their retirement age goes. So they just take the revolution now like advantage for grip for people that pocket, for make a miracle, Japanese miracle, me occur, for enrich yourself overnight. Where they don't fail for life. I tell you now. So we have to be very watchful. I want to tell you, I say me all the youth them, they rally. All the youth them, they're supposed to involve for this struggle because they fail Kabite people when they wear that black coat them. When they wear black coat, they don't come for white man country, they don't be for years. They don't succeed. And now they don't see advantage with the revolution for create small fraction, for the take money for people that pocket, for enrich yourself, for build house the way they never ever dream, for build up for their life. It go fail them. We don't be wise, it go fail them. We get one source where our money to go. One source where our money to go. And that one source, the leader, they be answerable to the people. And when the people know what any leader, the leader is automatically you shift. With the elect, we need the appoint. Leader not taking a group. Like way I about you for the talk say ages in a group. If you no man of you movie, no man of you move I about you for that agency. Like group where you create as well as SDF. Fundi because in a group. Who move fundi? Can't reach now. Who don't move fundi? No man of you move fundi. But if nothing where the institution where people create where leaders they come as a result of people electing, people giving powers to the leaders, then that people get automatic right to take that power when the leader fall trap or the leader need to rule well. But you want go move man from my house, I about to create a group one movie like who? Like who? So I tell my people say I want to talk for this one say now the problem that we will face them for this revolution. People they use the revolution for enrich themselves. Where they don't fail for one country. They don't fail for one country as well as Ground Zero. People they for Ground Zero where they don't fail. They use the opportunity for this revolution. And fighters into the way they use opportunity where they never ever touch money where since when they born them. They touch them. That this revolution don't make some fighter they even touch 500,000, 1 million. So people in the way they bend down, they claim for we like before like angel. Angel say me this revolution. They behave like say they deal with we like angel, but they pray behind me the revolution no me no succeed. Me not succeed so that their pocket it go be ever the swear that pocket you know go the dry. So we will be very technical with these types of people. So now the small talk that I bring, I will talk about the ABC TV. Say the ABC TV not fight the SBC TV. The SBC TV they are small, the ant. If we want move, then 1 minute. If we want move, then 1 minute. They know what you call lobby firm. If we lobby, we move them for 1 minute. We get everything now at hand. We get resources. They raise how much? They raise $100,000 for support the ABC TV. Just the ABC TV. And at the year say support the camp for refugees and this. So see, it's high time if we talk some people they talk say the Sako Kaba. Yes, agreeing for be Dr. Sako surrogate. Agreeing for be the surrogate for the interim government. That will be a surrogate for a particular one person. Yes, agreeing that 100%. 100%. So move see how money will enter. If people not love you, they not go give their money for you. If people not like you, money not enter. If people not like, especially for one man country, for see, now say I tell you so me Grand Zero hear me very well, Grand Zero. For move $1. What for one man country, one man will move $1 or $5 give you, not easy. People in the one country will testify for move $1. Man will even give him $1. It's not easy. They not talk of man will move $1,000, $100, $50, 50 euros, 100 euros. Gear for you means it just to go past. So if when I see the mobilization of the war draft, it means that the people of Ambazonian they don't think and rethink and go wrong. Look say now the interim government be the way forward for Litwi to Boya. Don't forget any distraction. Now the interim government get the way forward for Litwi to Boya because it don't prove them. If the war draft will fail, we'll get more than. See, I need to talk to you at the boss. I need to say at the boss. Back to go LGA. Money where they inside. Now me, see, money where they inside. I will not even talk LGA. All LGA they get money dirty way ever before since the revolution start. I tell you something there. Since the revolution start, now this war draft, it don't bring the highest money where I don't see them because we start the revolution from the beginning. War draft bring the highest. War draft bring the highest money. I never enter. Or I don't mean that the draft. I mean the one we don't enter. The one we don't enter. The one we they catch at hand. Una go manipulate. Una put una ears them for down for see how our material will come or so that una block it will fail. Una don't try to hack account them for say people if it give a war draft he fail. Una find means now. For hack the source of our material, it will fail una. Now what way una be frustrated. Una the kind of Facebook una not get talk, una don't hold my trip to Boya for good 3 years. Yes, this one take me to answer Epum. I want to talk something, fellow Ambazonians. And I don't talk say I don't ever call Epum in name again for my show. Yes, but People they keep calling, say he don't talk say this, he don't talk say this, he don't talk say this. Any man I need to watch she. I want to reply because say people call me. I need to watch she. Any man they go watch she. It means you see get something where you want me, you see the doubty. Ever since I don't even know who be he. Ever since I don't even know who be Editato. See, ma tell you now. UN summit the camp. UN summit in the camp. La Republique all strategy where he go do am. All strategy. Lobby firm did this. He go do am for distract we. For distract we. For this UN summit in the camp. When I don't hear any to go for IRS. Say tax on my trip to Boya. This. You don't listen my trip to Boya over how many years? 2 years plus going to 3 years. No shaking. People still there resist, and people still there fast. People still contribute for war draft. People still there firm. You never tire. You never tire. You still every day, and then people they so weak-hearted people say, my trip to Boya, I'm doing my trip to Boya. I want to ask the people the way when they think say this guy will be up to. I want to ask them, I say. The case of FBI, with Dr. Sako, if that guy for China, the guy called. Now don't ask, I say now how the case will end. The case will end where he go bring accounts them. He go create that we can tell now we say bank no fit disclose person third party, the third party, that secrecy of the bank. Some people just say no, so one can write me say for America, for one country, obviously be possible for bank for disclose my details to another party, even for that Cameroon and Shidho country where corruption they be very difficult for bank for disclose third party account except by law before the bank will disclose the third party account to and now for you go for government. So when we can fool now for say they don't go for bank, go take details of our president is transaction for this. People tend to believe. I tell national lie. If they say they will FBI, they make a person for the fools of one guy for China. That one we know he. I mean, just say move leave it because he don't know what he do. By now he don't realize himself. By now I think say by now because he don't go quiet, go end. The case for FBI, he don't do her. I want to ask you I say now actually say the case for FBI. He still there pending. Then another one he want to go bring her now. So that many people now they think say they say all that has scam for my trip to Boya. He end for Tabian Brado. All that has scam for my trip to Boya. He end for Tabian Brado. I want to tell this one for ambassadors. Move stop this issue for my trip to Boya. This issue for my trip to Boya, you've already been dead and buried. I don't know why people they see call and they see forum my trip to Boya, The issue don't be buried. Now we talk for world draft and way forward for world draft. How to use the money for world draft. World draft money there plenty. We need for such strategize how to use the money. We forget about my trip to Boya. My trip to Boya, when independent will come, people will answer questions. The Tabian will be denied. If you don't answer, Tabian will answer. If they will answer, will consecrate their properties. We know very well. So we're going to stay away for this my trip to Boya. Anyone will go bring every type of this. Now ask a question, even on the top, play the life. How will you So what be a problem? When I ask say all this allegation, now how it don't end? One after another, then no result. The ambassador people they still there, they see doubt. Every time is a bloody liar. Number one, bloody liar. Mama talk for a show. Say when he talk, na listening. When CNN talk, na not listening. Then una no say na clown. If you just take ambassador people the clown. And I want to tell you something. Some of them now they don't get information for give ambassador people. Yes, some of them don't get information for give ambassador people. So they tend to take distraction because you know every time I tell you something. Why don't tell you something? This guy he don't create a Facebook page where you get a number of views. Where you get on Facebook they pay you around that kind 350 euros or 250 euros or 400 euros. So and you get what the be that page means you get views all the time. So if you don't get something for talk ambassador, you need to create something where you create awareness, you get views, you can talk. Now why that way you see it be very difficult for you to go for ABC TV, for SBC TV, where he claims that TV. Now I say why he used to go there. Now because where he go there, that views them. They will go now for SBC TV. He views it, they will reduce. So and he don't see I say where he put the caption of my trip to Boya. Where he put that caption my trip to Boya, Dr. Sako, Chris Anus. He go caption he thorough grade them. They can listing, he get more views. That's all. Now actually that's all. That's all because he no say when he not talk about Dr. Sako and Chris Anu and Ma Aringwa, he no get views. That's it. He no get views. When I don't watch see, when I any man the watch here, I want to for a solo grade them. When I go look any day any type of count for Facebook, you know put my trip to Boya or Dr. Sako Chris Anu Ma Aringwa. When I see if you will get up. And then when I look the way he can put caption, my trip to Boya, this, some document come up on this side, this one don't come up on this side. Then he get a caption. Say you want disclose some information, una see a number of views you get them. Now so they take will get their views or get to Facebook. When they know say they need the Facebook need to pay them, they do work for ambassador for voluntarily free. Me they go for SCBC TV. They go give that views on them because SCBC TV they get na 16 views, na 21 views. So me I carry views them. Go give SCBC TV. Me go carry that views again with SCBC TV. Everything say it dey make money out of ambassador people that they are blocked. So now the issue that we get we talk again. We come to this prophet them. Over the week we don't see this prominent liar of a prophet. We call it say Suleiman for Nigeria. Again we get a response for you. The Bible say me no judge. The Bible say me no judge. But when you judge me, I will judge you. Yes. If you judge me, I will judge you. Better say the Bible to judge me to say why we judge ourselves. We see fake prophets. Where Boko Haram is in Nigeria. Boko Haram he kill and the whole world. It don't tell me terrorists. The whole world they call Boko Haram terrorists. And the whole world is sponsor me they attack Boko Haram. Ye like man of God, you know pray for God. Me God make Boko Haram them they surrender their weapon for the kill in nonsense civilians for Nigeria and back to Cameroon. If you can see now God ordained revolution, then go to say ambassador then the kill where if forget about justice. The God where the servant and the God of justice. The God where the servant and the God of justice. Me is start by certain republic. If you want to talk, you will claim say go school. Me first read the history for our history before it pass judgment. That effect Nigeria they fight. They kill people every day for Nigeria. What you don't do? First move to TV your eye before one move up another my eye. So if you want to tell me now say if you go be calm down and say me first rescue Nigeria or Cameroon, you go first say me go rescue Cameroon. I want to see the fake prophet them. So if you got come now say Cameroon and Nigeria me first rescue, you go talk say me go first rescue Cameroon. When Nigeria they you own crime they pass the one will get up. You never even move up. You don't ever talk with Boko Haram. You don't talk with Boko Haram. Boko Haram na terrorist group. Or in the fear, man of God to the fear because the fear die. You know say way to ambassador no do nothing. You know say we mention Boko Haram they will catch you. They didn't know very well. In the fear, you don't go see a weak target. Now we ambassador na a weak target. In the fine way we come for Yaoundé or Douala, can't take money as I be take at that time. We no dey. Yes, we no dey for enter because La Republic don't ban it. So you don't see a way now for please La Republic. Now the highest man of God that since the regulation start, it is against we, and we will see if to true if the real prophet of doom, that prophet that lie prophet them, me for cure yourself, me for cure one way it for your house before you leave you alone. We need the bet key, we need the bet Suleiman are who? Till pass on the way they take money of Christian they enter private jet them. God will enter jet. You my birthday the buy a jet, buy jet for this one. Christian they will church, they suffer. People don't street, they suffer. You take people that money, they enrich themselves. And they just sorry that people they will give that money for church here. And they just sorry now them. They can call God ordained revolution. Our revolution are God ordained revolution. And we will kill military. We kill our military. Military kill military, and we'll see the end. Me can't stop. Me when I tell you me tell God, me like fake God for Nigeria. Me can't stop it. If you talk the other time, what will happen? If you don't talk, the second time you talk. Coronavirus, don't do it to coronavirus. Corona, they claim that they talk with God, they communicate with God. So God never tell them who bring coronavirus. How do you cure coronavirus? Where coronavirus become they be talk something. None of them be tell we say that thing go pass and then so they fool people. Coronavirus they now they tell men of God they don't go hide for that corner them because coronavirus won't come Christian they come to church they want see small way now for them. Me if you want apply me don't apply for the Republic for be a lobby firm one time Because la République de fight for be lobby firm. For can the talk against God of the revolution. The revolution is only go mature. UN, our topic is there for UN agenda. We will be UN trust territory under the British. You know that one. He don't read that history. He don't come, he talk his own rubbish. Now tell you, me move the thing for your own, I leave we alone. You know, ambassador never call you. So me not make I follow you up. Me not make I follow you up. Now tell to the man, say me be for your own. No man never criticize he scam when the scam people they take money for church. No man never talk he do business. You one. No man never kick again business. Me live we move fight for our freedom. We never call he. Me live me fight for our freedom. Me they go join fight Boko Haram or coronavirus. They say they were men of God. Dirty for rice. Yes, now we will go now to the breaking news. Yeah, before one go for breaking news. So another breaking news the way it go to come. But I think say by Thursday, I will can give a breaking news for this same ADF. Now I know what will be happen with General Ivo. I don't even need for talk like breaking news. But I don't get for talk. What will happen General Ivo? It get to happen for another fighter for ADF. Now breaking news that Thursday I will come talk breaking news. What will happen with General Ivo? If another fighter don't take care, it will happen for them. ADF plan to eliminate their fighters when they say they don't hold enough information where they will disclose them. They will move them. Now ADF, they attack that. So that one Thursday will come for breaking news. That one. Then we'll go for the breaking news for Widikum. We don't see over the days. I go see what I play some audios. The breaking news of Widikum. We don't see over the days. We see how some group of villagers what do they do? They arrest fighters, our restoration fighters. They give up the Republic. We don't see over the days where a group of fighters, villagers, they arrest our restoration fighters. They give up for the Republic military. Now, we get audios where I go play them. The fighters them, they go talk on a listing. Wait where he go on. Let's see. We go see, and then we will judge. Because when we see some shocking images when they come up from ground zero, where fighters they do them, some of we need to be happy. But when we see where civilians they do them, you judge and say, man, even are you. This fighter where they arrest you, Diable la Republic. They were arrest you where they were arrest you where it be well loaded. So they be inform me. Say la Republic come. So when they be inform me say la Republic come, when I started that way, the villagers, the villagers, in a Widikum village, in a Widikum village. Now a quarter, when they call it Befang, they call the quarter for Widikum Befang. So now the quarter do the act. No, now the whole Widikum village, Now a quarter for Widikum, where they call it Befang. So when they be informed, the guy they say military come where they be not say when they talk for that guy they say military come, that guy will come out and they go hide the ambush for catch the guys them. So when that guy they come out, they will be well loaded. I want to tell you now where some people the way they think say this our boys them they wicked, but when they not wicked. They arrest our restoration fighter where they be well loaded. If not me, so I will fly all man for that place there I go. I survive myself. But what do that boy do? they pity the population. It means they be well sophisticated. They go attack military. They surprisingly will say, nah, population surround them. And when they will be well sophisticated for, you know, when you be ready for attack military. But this guy, they pity the population, they feel catfish population be there. Where any man go, I want to tell when I see the sympathy, the pity, the love for this our fighters them, where they give towards our civilians. When I see the love where our fighters they give towards the civilians, the fighter they be well sophisticated. If not me so, I go kill me my life because I believe say all my vida me want remain. Yes, I will kill all man. And then I survive because I know say if I go die. Yes, but that's how I kill them. And they be think say if they be do that act. If I say here Facebook, whoa, restoration for it, they don't keep population for Befang, they don't do this, they don't keep population for both Befang, they don't do this. But they do it. They arrest them, instead they arrest them for can and go judge, they arrest the core military. And the funny issue, I say they make video show their face. This one, I want to Befang village, let me destroy Amazonian. Befang village, that individual do the acts where we get all their images, all their photos, where they talk about her. So they see they will search. They see the guy say if they will search for find a weapon, they see give for military. Automatically, now the people in that way, they call military when our guy they go for attack. Now the people in that way, they call military when our guys they go for attack. So now the guy in that way, they call military when our people they go for attack. So fellow comrades, I will play the audios. Now go listen. Let's see.
Now I want to prove to everybody in this.
When I see that audio is small. Now listen to Kingly. Now the fighter that they already there central prison for your for Bamenda. That he talks so.
You say for the regulation, any man they enter for any place at any time, at any minute. So now we don't struggle. They don't take me. We don't carry now for Bamenda Central Prison. And we now under serious treatment. So they beg with the LGA. They give assistance.
The voice is small, they under torture.
They assist to take care of our treatment. Them. A place where they will fear a lot of pains. Without the assistance, we know if we survive from places where they. So they beg the LGA from the which may they assist we, may they show with their concerns, how we told them be free, a fight at them, the restoration force them for ground here. So no matter what way don't happen, but we thank God now as was today alive. So they beg all man with the place that they will come and change.
Okay, man, stop this one. Now the vote small because now that they will the cash, they don't torture them. If they don't central prison, so they beg the Widikum LGA. So all the sympathizers for Ambazonian when have joined the Widikum LGAs, the guys then in three where they arrest them. They don't torture them to the point of death. I mean, to say they don't beat them to the point of death. So now they go for military hospital. So now that treatment, now with the LGA, they will see into it. May they get a proper treatment. Otherwise, they will leave them. May they die without treatment because now while he talk, his volume be small. Volume be small. He said if he talk because his voice overcried, their voice on lost. So the Widikum LGAs and the Ambazonian people at large. We will support these three fighters and for say me that treatment them, me take care for that treatment. Might see another audio. Now listen.
Salam for us. Happy Sunday for all my place day. All my cafe door up. A promotion on the top. I believe the information may happen for Befang. My civilian they don't carry soldier them. 6 operators stick them. Call army can take them. a cowboy them Django, Somali and wildlife. The day for police now so with the come. When I have civilians for Befang, they don't carry them. Call army, they can't take them. So yesterday Saturday, Christian for Azem talk for group say you don't hear say army they decline come Befang. We don't be na settle with the civilian over Befang. So now as wildlife here he come out with that boy, they say they go check them. Civilian they ready radar as they enter, you carry in our hand. This is other thing. Then call army come take them. You know the program that already passed. I believe a woman don't get the story in a program that we passed yesterday. Yes. So when Christian Victoria wildlife say you don't hear say army they come Befang. We don't be in a plan array Befang people they don't get our army. So that when they shaking when they go hear so if they don't know say a cowboy the more come for can check them. So as the information they reach, I tell wildlife say you don't hear what way Christian talk. It means you don't be aware. But I say as the enter Befang, you will the first enter. We enter the area where we did. You job even for snap and post and for us. So that moon if we come for back, we will see play all day. So that moon can enter shop or inside media and we can take radar. Me and wildlife talk so as I even prepare. You know make 5 minutes wildlife reporter again say play with the never see no nothing like army. We that civilian they don't can't enter bush. But they hide now how as well as they come up for the place now again say they go front some more. And for the that civilian they now. Imagine say the whole population will be found. If they hide then 3 people they now waiting. So the joke come on now surrender that boy them. And the boy them don't look and say they know if you shoot. If you do for one side, they shoot for they clear their road past them. If we shoot them all, run them. So they surrender boy them, they carry them and six others take them. Call army now. Time that army they come. We the Okada boy they be there for park. If we listen the call, we want army man to talk with that people for up. Then the other one the six Okada, the first that Okada boy them say when they carry them come up. So the program that way pass.
Okay, now don't listen. It shows say some man don't say why they catch them. Yeah, now good question that why they catch them. When you get information say that Befang village, which is another quarter, they get their small I think a land dispute or this they get some small dispute. I think that why that way they do that a bet. I don't want to go into the details why they arrest the fighters. Me, I don't want to go now for look why not give the fighters to military. How not take military, get military number? Who call military? That means automatically the people for that village, when they do the act, they work with military. Now my point I don't want to care for no who side. I want to see that the wrong approach where they take on. Because for when fighter hurt you, he not kill you. Then you hurt he kill you. You should say go wait for another fighter. I want to tell Ambazonian people there's something. We get 2 military inside Ambazonian. We get La République terrorist military. We get Ambazonian military inside our territory. That thing that we have to know. We get 2 military. We get the terrorist regime military inside Ambazonian. Then we get Ambazonian military. So nothing say when you go chop with La République military, you go wait for we. And now we on the land. I want to ask them. I want to ask simple question. That guy is the way when I catch him. The guy with the show his face. You think say that guy is family, his own family. I want to tell you forget about Amber now. You forget about Amber. You know, think say that guy is family, his friends, his girlfriends. If you get picking, they will be happy when they see you. Now you catch their picking. You give military to go kill them. They will still can't be stay with that same land, my brothers and sisters. You still can't stay with that very land. You catch my brother. You get with military go kill him. And then me and you, we say she don't for that same land. Where you black leg number 1. Where I know say tomorrow, you will still call military. You tell military, say that man way, I'm a fighter. Now he brought that. Now he family this. Now this. That means say, I want to tell you, I say that people will do that in small little village. Yes. That one they should have to outside. It be very normal. We don't take that very serious when man fail be do am. That wait, a registration force of man when that chief be do that thing, any man be show a face. Any man be show a face, you are enemy to the revolution. I will need to bear with you. Yes. That guy they don't conspire with military for kill our civilians, and automatically we assume say all the way they be there with that video now military in disguise, not be villagers, because villagers they don't do that act. Villagers they don't do that act. Now the military in disguise where they can be inside our village for track our boys there, and they succeed their mission, and they see they enter the village automatically. We take the accomplice. We'll finish with them. For me, oh, but I be activist. I don't be defense chair or did this. I don't give my own opinion. That guy them will leave that village, that quarter. Not be the village, not that we the village in general. That quarter. I see. When I go from vigilante group, when I form anti-gang, when I form wait, when I don't succeed Amber. Cambe. When I ask how many vigilante leaders where they make noise, who said they find themselves? Who said they found themselves? The Bororo they want make noise. Who said they found themselves today? Now when I small part of Befam. For Befam. Now one destroy the struggle where they struggle don't reach a state of maturity. UN summit it come for September, for this September. Then we declare a scene. We declare a scene where the public will say na population that those are the kick against the Amber. No, Befam, we no do that. We no condone to una. Massacre them, they happen for revolution, and I know very well. And some people they die for revolution because they say themselves. Some people they die for revolution because they say themselves. If you don't like the revolution, you be quiet. But if you want to come against Amber, come fully and fully prepare. So when our boys do for road, anything they say they move them for game. And we don't see the video there very well. I get two things. Either the quarterhead send an apology. And in short, I might not even talk, but Ambazonian, we don't know. We know what will happen. We know what way it will happen, except or the executive committee for Widikum decides. Even they get an internal problem with quarters. That will not concern Ambazonian. But now what you are see and say, now don't catch Ambazonian fighters, care for military and. It involved the whole of Ambazonian, not only Befam or Widikum or Batibo or Ongi or Menomu. No, now all. And Ambazonian in general. Now our fighters, now our military, they defend the territory. We are not think say, we don't do that act for Befam village. We don't do that act only for Befam village. We don't do act for Ambazonian. We don't do a worse crime for Ambazonian for temper for arrest a fighter for military. Well done. Well done. But we are going to pay the price in kind every way, all sides. This war will end. And shortly it will end. This war will end. It will end. Shortly it will end. And it will end in a victory of Ambazonian. Nothing and rethink. Fellow comrades, nothing and rethink. Now tell them, say they don't do it now. They mean they continue for beef for the village. We'll see who rule Ambazonian. We'll see who control the territory. That military they come to that place like how many? Almost than 4 or 5. Population for that village now only 4 or 5. now confirm. So now issue that way where I say might tell our people the way to it happen for Widikum. So me the Widikum people we don't know what to do. And the internal government and Ambazonian at large, we know what to do. Those fighters, they don't be protected only Widikum, they fight for Ambazonian. And when I hear where they don't call it the Widikum LGA, me they help them, they for central prison, me they try to help them. When I give a helping hand, that one already been an escape, they already been a, I don't know, because they will surely kill them. Yeah, they move give the helping hand when they see they alive. I said, you see here, we see hear them talk. So move give the helping hand, move give them the helping hand. They will be fight for protect the flag. They will be fight now for protect the Widikum. But the people they do that act, I thank God. God know the way they transform, and God know the way they convince people. God know the way they arrest people. They show themselves with video, and the video it will be for record. Generation upon generation, they will ever watch that video, and they are picking them. That people do that at their grand picking them. They will ever watch that video, and maybe they keep that video for archives. They keep a record. Generation upon generation will watch that video. So now the small caption that I bring that today. So Thursday we get Amber Focus. Friday Amber Focus 8 p.m. Female general go there. We'll get a host panelist go there. So don't miss the program. It will be very powerful program. Very powerful program. Amber Focus. So no miss. So all Ambazonian, when I stay focused, the revision they on track 100%, no distraction. When any marriage never give a word draft, go the contribute to a word draft, you will see result. Not even you will see result. Now na facts you will see result. So jogo be will be resolved. Move forget about distractors. They will come in numbers and they will still come. They no surrender. They will stand firm. As we don't stand firm with the Republic, resist the Republic for long, we will resist them too. The internal enemy will resist them too. They will surrender. Thank you very much for watching.